Real talk, doing it officially funny. We're at the beach. There's like a bunch of random people here. The pink girl is about to go ride the jet ski, so I'm gonna come up and down here a little bit, and I think I'm gonna go to the I-5 bridge and just wave at people and stand up and be like, I'm a monkey. So here we go.
So you're a gorilla.
Yeah. So this is what we do on Fridays when everybody's at work. We come out here, play with the jet skis. Hey, next week, Lucha Libre next week. Borracho Libre.